Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Looker Studio reports using Google Analytics 4 data. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser. Ensure you have access to the Looker Studio account where the reports are stored. Locate the report you want to update. Click on the report to open it. Log into your Google Analytics account in another tab. Navigate to the Google Analytics 4 property that contains the data you need. In the GA4 property, select the Admin section at the bottom left. In the Property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream that corresponds to the website or app connected to Looker Studio. Take note of the event names you want to use in your Looker Studio report. Return to Looker Studio and look for the Resources menu on the top menu bar. Click on Manage Added Data Sources. Find the data source currently linked to your report. Click on the data source name to open its configuration. To update it, click on the pencil icon to edit it. In the settings, check if you have the latest connection to Google Analytics 4. If needed, click on Edit Connection to connect to the correct GA4 property. Confirm your selection and authorize the connection when prompted. Once connected, review the data fields available. Map the relevant GA4 event names to your Looker Studio report fields as needed. Ensure metrics and dimensions are correctly aligned for your report storytelling. Click on Apply to save changes to the data source. Return to your report view to see the updated data reflected. Review the visualizations to ensure they accurately represent the GA4 data. Adjust chart types or filters if necessary to enhance clarity. Finally, save your report and check for any errors or discrepancies. Your Looker Studio report is now updated with the latest Google Analytics 4 data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.